to create this component today. Okay, so I have selected this one. Go to sketcher, because orientation is on yz axis, so I will first draw these things. Okay, so firstly I will draw the circle that is having how much diameter. It is having 30 radius, that is 60 diameter. Okay, 60 diameter. Then I'm having a central circle that is having 20 diameter, 20 diameter, 20 Then we are having one another circle at this place somewhere. I have just drawn this, and it is having 15 diameter, 15 diameter, and having length like 40 above the center of this circle, that is 40 Okay, and horizontally how much it is? It is 85 minus okay, so it is this one is 90 minus 85, so how much remaining over here? That is 5. Okay, so we will take with this vertical axis, it is 5 Okay, now what we can do? Okay, next I will draw this extended hole over here. Okay, it is having in the same axis. Okay, and having something one. Okay, so what is the radius of that one? It is 12 12 it is diameter, that is 6 radius. Okay, so here we can see axis and this center, it is 85. Okay, right, and here it is 40 40 Okay, and vertical it is exactly as like that one only. So again we will draw one another having diameter. Okay, so here I need to take the 40 vertical height. Okay, and this one is having a radius as a sorry diameter as a 30, that means it is 15. Okay, now I will just draw so once again I need to draw one another circle over here. Yes, it should be made over here. Okay, now I'm drawing one line tangent to this one, these two, right? Okay, now what I will do, I will take this angle over here, which is having radius 50 Okay, and then I will delete this. Okay, and having yes, tangent to this both. Yes, कोणता अँगल नाही आहे तो आर्क आहे. परत घेऊन दाखवायचा का? So we have trimmed all these things. Now we will go to the 3D modeling. So for 3D modeling we need to have exit workbench. So are you visualizing the same orientation? yes, same orientation है ना ये दोनों का. अभी देखिए इसका पैड जब हम लोग करेंगे, दैट इज इन द upward direction. How much it is? 15 mm, 15 mm. Okay, so it is having the same. Now I will select this plane and again go to SketchUp. Right now here I will draw the same. I need to have a concentric circle, so I have just drawn this and I will make what we can call it as the concentric circle. Here I will give this concentricity here, and also I can give the coincidence constant, right? And after that one I will draw second one having radius it is 40. Yes, now I will go again to this 3D modeling, and it is having 20 mm, right? So this is your product. We can complete it into 1 or 2 minutes only.